Now, if you watch our YouTube channel, you know from time to time we'll take trade-ins, and that's what we have here. It's a 2020 Toyota Tundra 1794 edition, Crewmax 4x4. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 35,000 on this one is all. 1794 edition, if you're wondering what that is, it's actually a package that they do on this truck. What it is it was built in their San Antonio plant. So back in the day, 1794, there was a ranch that was founded where this plant is. So it's kind of a tribute back to that ranch and when it was founded, and it happens to be where their San Antonio plant is. So there you go. Now you know. Take a look at the front grille, headlights. If you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, just like we shoot up any of our classic vehicles. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out the still pictures. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the correct 1794 edition wheels. I mentioned the 1794 package. It's an elevated premium leather that they have in this. It's a rich saddle brown. It's very cool. They also have enhanced off-road capabilities. I mean, it's a cool package. You can read up on it. Underneath the hood, the 5.7 liter. It's a dual overhead cam V8. Transmission is the automatic with overdrive. It's actually a 6-speed automatic with overdrive. 381 horse, 401 pound-feet of torque in this truck. And you can see up and down the passenger side, it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. There was one spot kind of in the lower rocker down here, and I don't even know if I can get it to show up, where it's been touched up, but again, it's really tough to see. Not going to affect the performance of this truck at all. You can also notice the side glass is tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as the amount of window tint that you can have as far as percentage-wise. Make you aware of that. Remember, like I said earlier, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, coming around to the rear, you can see it does have the trailer package, backup camera. Your modern amenities that you get on the late model truck: spray-in bed liner, now, if you like classic cars, maybe late model sports cars, maybe you're looking for pickups, you never know what we might get here at UniqueClassicCars.com. So go ahead, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just into cars, like watching videos of cars, checking them out, all kinds of different ones. They're not always late models like this. Lots of times, more often than not, they are classics. Speaking of which, UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out those still pictures as we take a look down the driver's side. Again, you can see the paint shows well. It's black. You're going to find an imperfection here or there, but overall, it's what you'd expect with the kind of miles that are on it, and of course, being a late model. Now, one of the things everybody reviews these trucks talks about is the size of the back seats. A lot of room. And then you heard me mention the enhanced leather package on the 1794 edition. There's kind of a suede inlay, and then the saddle leather around it. Very rich looking. Gives you that kind of western feel to it. Looks like they kind of have a simulated bird's eye maple. But yeah, very elegant interior. And of course, with the Tundras, resale and reliability. There's nothing wrong with these trucks when it comes to reliability. Of course, in the 2020, you're going to have all your late model options. This one happens to have the JBL stereo system in it, power seats, buckets. I mean, it goes on and on. Auto dimming headlights. This particular one also has a sunroof. I believe these were in the neighborhood of getting up there in the $60,000 range when they were new, if not more. Steering wheel controls, of course. The 1794 floor mats. And you can see seats are in nice shape here also. Let's check out the exact miles. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood too. So So exact miles down here, 35,813. All the gauges working. No service engine soon lights, anything like that on. Top of the dash looks good. Navigation system, of course, in the JBL. All your late model amenities that you're going to get. Both key fobs, push button to start. No surprises in here. Well taken care of late model truck. I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood so we can take a peek at that engine bay. Let you hear how it run. I haven't noticed any aftermarket exhaust, anything like that. Take a look at the underside pictures. Sounds as you would expect. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second just to get the hood open so we can check out the engine bay and see how that looks, and we'll wrap up the video. If you stick around to the very end of this video, we'll take this truck for a drive. Obviously show you how it goes down the road. It drives out nice. It's a 2020 clean Carfax, low miles. So let's take a peek at the engine bay though. Here's a look at the underside of the hood. Doesn't look like it's really been driven in inclement weather. That is clean. There it is. Of course, 5.7 liter. Dual overhead cam V8. Reliable power plant. Paired up with that automatic transmission with overdrive. Stock, what you'd expect. Good looking truck. 2020 Toyota Tundra 1794 edition Crewmax 4x4. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, a little over 35,000 miles is all clean Carfax. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2020 Toyota Tundra in black. Now this is the 1794 edition, which has a pretty cool throwback kind of leather looking brownish interior accents, which go very well. This is a low mile vehicle, 35,814 miles currently. And all our gauges are working well. Oil pressure's good, over half. Temperature almost half. All that looks good. Great running, like new. Automatic on the center console, so it's easy to drive. Factory stereo. Sounds good. Nice smooth ride. Letting go of the wheel. It stays nice and straight. Have a sunroof over my head. Brakes are working well. Good size crew cab truck, so you can bring the whole family or the work crew or just some friends. This truck corners well. Nice quiet ride. When a vehicle is like new and it's from 2020, what is there to say? It's like buying one off the lot, brand new, in my opinion. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.